It's been 9 months that I had online class because I totally had sore throat, sick, and being vomit. So I won't be here tomorrow. I don't like mommy and mom's had announced yet. So I will going to school every Monday to Friday, but now I will be it tomorrow. Guys and everyone, don't be absent. Just be in school. No more face to face. No more online class anymore. This is the last warning for the 9 months. Or one last chance. Okay, I'm so guys. I'm going to see you tomorrow. Bye. I'm sorry for the yelling this today. Bye.